Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into my Boxycharm box. This is the Boxycharm box for February 2024 and it was kindly sent over from Ipsy today. This is the first PR box that I have ever opened up from Ipsy. So I'm really excited today. So Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription that allows you to choose 3 of the 5 products every month. They are all going to be full-size products, and my understanding is that there are 5 of them inside of this box today that will give you guys an idea of the options available this month if you choose to sign up. So let's not wait any longer because I want to know what's in this box. I need to know what did they put inside of this. So let's get started with this unboxing today. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing or signing up for this subscription, I am going to post a link down below for you. When you sign up through that link, it will prompt you to first complete a style quiz. That quiz will be a guide for Ipsy to choose your products with. So they will do their best at trying to match you up with products based off of that quiz. It's free to take, but it does help your box. So just make sure that whatever you put on that quiz, you are customizing it to your needs. So inside of your box, it will look like this. We do have a cute little newsletter that we get every single month, and this will feature the Boxycharm products. And inside, it's going to tell you a little bit more about the products that you could receive this month. And then down below are all of our products. First item that I have inside of this box is Grown Alchemist. This is the Skin Renewal Day Cream. It is a full-size product at 2.1 ounces. Grown Alchemist is a great luxury brand. If you've not tried their products out before, I do recommend them. They make a couple of masks that are really, really good. All of their products are going to be cruelty-free, but they also have natural ingredients in them, so it makes them a clean skincare company. So this is what it will look like. They go really minimal on packaging. You can recycle all of this, which is awesome. And because it's in these metal tubes, you can actually roll up the bottom kind of like toothpaste and get all of your product out. So that way you're not wasting anything either. You get the full amount out of your bottle. This particular product is their moisturizer, and it is their daytime moisturizer. They do make a night version, but it will give you hydration and also create a moisture barrier. It's formulated with niacinamides in here, and also mushrooms is its star ingredient. It says that it will help to make your skin more rebalanced and have a healthier looking complexion. Gotta say, this is a great way to start the box off. Next item inside of the box is the Give Them Lala highlighter. This is called Showstopper. It is a cruelty-free product. Actually, everything from Lala is cruelty-free. Lala started out as an influencer, and then she created her own beauty brand many, many years ago. She was one of the first, at least first that I knew of, that created her own beauty line. I mean, this is years ago we're talking about. So inside we have her Showstopper highlighter. There is a mirror, and then this is the gorgeous gold highlight. Now, I gotta tell you, I love how large this pan is. I just love the large pans because you can pick up lots of pigment and really use it. You can get a great fluffy brush in there. Gorgeous color. This is gonna be great going into summer. I'm gonna do a quick swatch here. That way you guys can see it. This is what it looks like, but then we'll do a swatch here. Actually, this is great because it is so subtle, but you can still see the highlight in the light when it moves. So I think you could wear this even now, even though it's gold. And typically I don't wear gold in wintertime. I think you could still get away with this one because it blends in so well. Next up, I have from Context, their Sweet Emotion. Guys, I'm gonna bust out in an Aerosmith song here in a second. And I'm a huge Aerosmith fan to begin with. Like, it's kind of a no-brainer. We're just gonna start busting out in a song here. So this is going to be a liquid lip product from Context. It is a huge jumbo-sized lip. I gotta tell you, this bottle is as large as a mascara tube is. So it is very large, but usually lip products aren't this big. So I'm kind of surprised. Oh, I thought it was gonna be matte, and it's not. But actually, it's got a gorgeous sheen to it. So it goes down as a bit of a gloss, but it's actually going to dry down like a matte. But you see how there's a little bit of sheen? But I do think it's a gorgeous terracotta color. I like that there's a little bit of sheen to this one. I just feel like it's going to last you forever. because of how large this is. If you want one lip look for an entire year, this is probably the product for you. The next item that I have is from Chula Beauty, and I don't know this brand. If you guys do, comment down below and let me know if you know anything about this one, but I don't recognize it. So it says that it's cruelty-free, which I love that, and it states that it's going to be a liquid liner duo that is black to brown. Oh, so is it double-ended? So you receive both of the liners in there and you have black and brown inside of the box. I was thinking it was going to be one product with it on either end. And I'm like, man, if you only had to take one product and you got your choice of options, that'd be kind of nice. But this is fine too. So this is going to be the black liner. Man, there's a lot that comes out at once. And I can never draw a straight line, you guys. I can do it on my eyes, but whenever I'm sitting here like this, I always get off. The next one will be the brown liner, and I'm going to go right above it here. But honestly, there's a lot of product that comes out of this one. Man, this is like the most unstraight line ever. I don't know what my deal is, but this is going to be the brown color. So I do, obviously, as you can tell, I love my wings. I love eyeliner. One thing that I like about this is that it is a felt tip. I do feel like the felt tip liners are easier to control and to kind of blend out and to give you a seamless line. There's no tugging or pulling when it is a felt tip. So I like that. I also like that there's a lot of product that comes out because sometimes it will tug or pull if there isn't a lot of gliding with that product. So this shouldn't do that based off of what I'm seeing. It also dries down really quickly as well. So honestly, it seems decent. Last item that I have here today is from Ace Beauty, and it is a full-size palette. This palette is called Mystic Romance is the name of this one. Really cute packaging. It says that this will have 15 shadows inside of it that have been carefully milled to give you the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So here's what the palette looks like outside of the box, just black trim. And then we do have a mirror inside, and down below, ooh la la, look at these. So these shadows were not what I was expecting, but also I like them. So I like a couple of things. I like one, that there are some neutrals in here, but I do like that there is some color as well. So if you're like me and you want color, I think this will still work, but you could still do neutrals if you like those too. I like that there is a couple of shifts even. So like with some of these shimmers, you can tell they've got like gold and yellow in them, and they're really pretty. You can kind of see how those move. Those are gorgeous. So honestly, this is really nice. I like that the pans are a little bit larger as well, so that is good. Overall, I think this is a decent palette. I like the color story that I'm seeing with this. It wasn't at all what I thought it was going to be. I thought we were going for like an all plum vibe, but I like the colors. So that is everything for today's unboxing of the Boxycharm by Ipsy box for February. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know what you think of this box. Based off of what I have here, I think this is a pretty decent box. Now, you could receive these exact same items in your box if you sign up in the month of February. It will kind of depend on your style quiz if you have options that are going to match these. And then obviously, if it's a choice product, you have to choose these products in order for us to have the same ones. But I like the brands that I do see. I think Grown Alchemist, great way to start the box off. Give them Lala. I don't love all of her products, but I do really like this highlighter, so that is one that I would recommend. I also really like the color story in the palette. It's very soft, very subtle. I like the different hues that I'm seeing, so I think that's decent. The liners went down well, and then that lip, I'm telling you guys, it's a gorgeous color as well. So honestly, I think it's a pretty good box today that they sent over. So if you would like to sign up for Boxycharm this month, I do have that link down below. And like I said, you could get some of these same items in your box if you sign up this month. Also, I do have a little insider tip for you guys. I just saw some spoilers of what's coming in the March Boxycharm box. There are good brand names in there, like Glow Recipes in there. I don't want them to know, but Alchemist is in there as well. Like there's decent brands coming up in March. So just saying that if you do sign up in February for the Boxycharm box, you will be able to customize your box when it opens up on the 1st through the 3rd and get first dibs on the products for the March box. So I'm just letting you guys know, a little insider. I just saw those spoilers and I'm like, March is shaping up to be a good month. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!